Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about classifying polynomial functions. In this first video we're going to go over some vocabulary, and a lot of this we learned about in Algebra 1, but this is just a review of all of those terms. First term is a monomial, and this is a real number, variable, or a product of real numbers and one or more variables with whole number exponents. A lot to say, it's when you just have one term. So for example, 7 would be a monomial, x would be a monomial. If I multiply those together, that's still a monomial. Or I could have multiple together. So let's say I had negative 5x squared y cubed. That would also be a monomial. The degree of a monomial is the exponent of the variable. So for instance, if I had 3x squared, my degree would be 2. Now, a polynomial, on the other hand, is a monomial or a sum of monomials. So, for instance, looking at my list here, a polynomial could be 7x plus x plus 3. So, it's just a bunch of monomials added or subtracted from each other. And then the degree of a polynomial is the highest degree among the monomial terms. So, let's say I had 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. The degree would be the highest exponent among monomial terms, and so that would be this 2 here. So it is the largest exponent among all of those terms. And then this unit we're going to be talking about polynomial functions. And the polynomial function is a function of the form of f of x equals a n x to the n plus a n minus 1 x to the n minus 1, and so on and so forth, where the exponents are all whole numbers and the coefficients are all real numbers. So for instance, a polynomial function could be f of x is equal to 3x to the fifth minus 4x cubed plus 7x minus 2. That's an example of a polynomial function. And the standard form of a polynomial function is when the exponents of the terms go from highest to lowest. And so example here would be f of x equals 3x to the fourth minus 2x squared plus 7. You notice that my exponents of the monomials are going from highest, 4, to lowest, 2, and then 0.